He repaired clocks but never wound them. Time shouldn't be forced, he'd say. A hurried businessman demanded a faster clock. The old man smiled, giving him an hourglass. Watch how time wants to flow. The sand fell slowly, beautifully. The businessman sat, finally breathing, and understood.
Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever imagined creating your own anime characters, manga pages, or even short anime-style animations, but felt held back by drawing skills or complicated tools, this video is made for you. Today, we're checking out Anifun AI, a powerful AI-driven platform built to turn your anime ideas into reality with minimal effort. From generating anime art to crafting manga panels and animated scenes, Anifun AI brings everything together in one simple workspace. Whether you're just starting out, creating content for social media, or dreaming of producing your own manga or anime-inspired projects, this tool aims to make the entire process fast, fun, and accessible. So let's jump in, explore what Anifun AI can do, and see how you can start creating anime, manga, and animations in just a few clicks. When you open Anifun AI, the main dashboard appears at the top with all the core features neatly organized. From the AI Anime Tools section, you can generate anime-style artwork, create unique characters, or even convert real photos into anime designs. The AI Manga Tools section focuses on manga creation, allowing you to build full manga pages, color black and white panels, translate manga into different languages, and even write original stories. If you're interested in animation, the AI Anime Video Generator lets you transform static images into short anime-style videos. There's also the OC Maker, which is perfect for designing your own original anime characters from scratch. On the top right corner, you'll find the language options, where you can easily switch between English and Japanese, making Anifun AI accessible for creators around the world. Now, let's jump into the creation process. We'll start by opening the AI Anime Art Generator. Here, all you need to do is type a prompt describing the anime character or scene you want to create. Below the prompt box, you can select your preferred image format, such as square, vertical, or widescreen. You can also choose from multiple AI models and artistic styles to match the exact anime look you're going for. For users who want extra control, the advanced settings allow you to fine-tune image quality and detail levels. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate, and within seconds, Anifun AI produces your anime artwork. If you like the result, just hit the download button to save the image directly to your device. Now, let's move on to the photo to anime feature. To get started, simply upload a photo by clicking the upload box or dragging your image directly into it. Once your photo is uploaded, Anifun AI offers a wide range of visual styles to choose from. You can turn your image into anime, kawaii, cartoon, webtoon, manga, or even a Ghibli-inspired illustration. Just pick the style you like, hit generate, and within seconds, your photo is transformed into a clean, high-quality anime artwork. You can instantly preview the result, download it in full resolution, or experiment with different styles until you find the one that fits your vision perfectly. Next, let's take a look at the AI Manga Generator. This feature allows you to create full manga pages using nothing more than a written story or scene idea. Start by typing your manga storyline or scene description into the text box. You can explain the characters, their emotions, and what's happening in each panel. After that, choose the AI model that matches your needs, whether you want standard quality or more advanced premium level results. Then, select a panel layout to control how the manga page is structured. You can also decide on the overall art style, such as Japanese manga, American comics, or Korean webtoon, and choose between black and white or full color artwork. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate, and Anifun AI will automatically convert your story into well-designed, professional-looking manga panels. You can preview the results instantly and download them in high resolution with just one click. Now, let's move on to one of the most powerful features, the AI Anime Video Generator, where simple ideas are transformed into fully animated videos in minutes. All you need to do is paste your script or story, or you can let the AI rewrite it to make it more engaging and polished. Next, choose your preferred visual style, whether you want a classic anime look or a more realistic appearance. After that, select the video format, for example, 9:16 for shorts and reels, or 16:9 for standard YouTube videos. You can then choose an AI voice that supports multiple languages and add background music, such as lo-fi, motivational, or cinematic, to match the tone of your story. For better viewer retention, you also have the option to enable subtitles. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate, and Anifun AI automatically produces a high-quality animated video with visuals, voiceover, and music perfectly synchronized. It honestly feels like having a full animation studio running on AI. Fast, creative, and incredibly simple to use.
He repaired clocks but never wound them. Time shouldn't be forced, he'd say. A hurried businessman demanded a faster clock. The old man smiled, giving him an hourglass. Watch how time wants to flow. The sand fell slowly, beautifully. The businessman sat, finally breathing, and understood. He repaired clocks but
Next up is the Chibi Sticker Maker, which is easily one of the most fun tools inside Anifun AI. This feature lets you convert any photo into adorable chibi-style stickers within seconds. Just upload an image, select an AI model, and hit Generate. Anifun AI instantly creates a complete set of expressive chibi stickers with different emotions and poses. You can preview the stickers right away and download them in high quality, perfect for WhatsApp, Telegram, or sharing on social media. If you love custom stickers but don't have design skills, this tool is an absolute game changer. So overall, Anifun AI is a true all-in-one platform that lets you create anime artwork, manga panels, animated videos, and cute chibi stickers, all powered by AI. Whether you're a content creator, an artist, or simply an anime fan, this platform can save you hours of work while unlocking new creative possibilities. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more AI tools, reviews, and tutorials. You'll find the Anifun AI link in the description, so be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.